How to cancel your Curzon Home Cinema subscription. First, you want to go to your settings. After that, you want to tap on your name, and here you'll see an option called subscriptions. You want to simply tap on that. It'll take some time to load, and when it is open, you'll see all the active subscriptions on your device. And if you have a Curzon Home Cinema subscription, you'll be able to see it over here as well. You can simply tap on Curzon Home Cinema subscription and you'll see a cancel subscription option over there as well. However, if this method don't work out for you, you can simply go to your Safari, and here on the search bar you want to simply tap on it and you want to type in Curzon Home Cinema subscription cancel. Simply search for Curzon membership cancel, and you want to scroll down and until you see the Curzon website. Here, tap on it and you'll be able to see all the steps that you can do, and here you'll see all the prompts that you can follow to unsubscribe your payment. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.